In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2019 paper and question 9, which is a short question worth 6 marks, and it is about the balance of trade. So when we're studying Strand 3 economics and international trade, you'll see balance of payments and balance of trade. This particular question is asking for us to calculate the balance of trade, which is all about goods. So the figure for Ireland's exports and imports of goods are shown below. Ireland exported 123 billion. So that is goods out, okay? But that is money in, right? So we're loving the exports, okay? Whereas imported 79 billion. So that means that goods are coming in, but money is going out. Okay, so we want to have more exports than imports. So think about that. We want to receive more money in this country from exports, and we want to spend less by giving it to other countries. Okay, so we want more exports than imports. Okay, so the balance of trade can be calculated by subtracting the imports from the exports. So you can see that we have 44 billion, and that is a surplus. That is really good because we are getting more money than what we're sending out. Okay, so give one reason why international trade is important for Ireland. So it's important for Ireland for a number of reasons. So it gives us access to larger markets, which increases Ireland's exports to other countries. International trade increases tax revenue for the Irish government, and employment in Ireland increases, which reduces social welfare. So that's another great reason there. So that is the 2019 short question 9 on the balance of trade complete.